In this YouTube video, we discuss the top 10 disadvantages of investing in ETFs. From high trading costs to lack of personalization, we go over the potential drawbacks of investing in ETFs. Whether you're new to ETFs or an experienced investor, this video is a must-watch so you can understand the potential risks associated with investing in ETFs. Hello everyone, my name is Charles and welcome to our YouTube video on the top 10 disadvantages of ETFs. ETFs have become increasingly popular recently, but they do come with their drawbacks. Let's jump right in and explore the top 10 disadvantages of investing in ETFs. Disadvantage 1, ETFs are complex. First, ETFs are complex. ETFs allow investors to buy and sell a basket of stocks, bonds, or other investments. This means that investors need to understand the different components that make up the ETF, how they're managed, and how they may affect the performance of the ETF. Disadvantage 2, high trading costs. Second, ETFs often have high trading costs. This is because ETFs are traded like stocks on the stock market. That means investors must pay broker commissions and other fees when they buy and sell ETFs. These fees can add up quickly and eat away at your returns. Disadvantage 3, not always tax efficient. Third, ETFs are not always tax efficient. ETFs often have a turnover rate of assets, which can trigger capital gains taxes for investors. This means that investors can be taxed on their gains even if they haven't sold any of their shares. Disadvantage 4, not always diversified. Fourth, ETFs are not always diversified. Many ETFs are made up of a relatively small number of stocks, bonds, or other investments. This means that if one of these investments performs poorly, the entire ETF could be negatively impacted. Disadvantage 5, liquidity. Fifth, ETFs can be illiquid. This means that it can be difficult to find buyers or sellers of ETFs, which can lead to wide spreads between the bid and the ask price. This can make it difficult for investors to exit their positions in a timely manner. Disadvantage 6, tracking error. Sixth, ETFs can have tracking errors. This means that the ETF may not perform exactly as expected, as it may not perfectly track its benchmark index. This can lead to investors not getting the returns that they were expecting. Disadvantage 7, ETFs are not tailored to your needs. Seventh, ETFs are not tailored to your needs. An ETF is a one-size-fits-all solution, so it may not be the best option for all investors. As such, investors should make sure that they understand the risks associated with investing in ETFs before they decide to invest. Disadvantage 8, lack of personalization. Eighth, ETFs lack personalization. ETFs are managed by computers and algorithms, so investors don't have the ability to customize their investments. This can be a disadvantage for those who prefer to have more control over their investments. Disadvantage 9, lack of professional management. Ninth, ETFs lack professional management. Many ETFs are passively managed, which means that there is no professional actively managing the investments in the ETF. This can lead to subpar performance compared to actively managed funds. Disadvantage 10, not suitable for long-term investing. Finally, ETFs are not suitable for long-term investing. ETFs are designed to be traded on a short-term basis, so they are not the best option for those who are looking to invest for the long term. Conclusion. Well, that sums up our list of the top 10 disadvantages of investing in ETFs. As you can see, ETFs do come with some drawbacks, so it's important to understand them before you decide to invest. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth. Subscribe now and start your journey towards success.